Myself, Arvind Kumar Dubey, teacher of English in Government Girls High Secondary School, Nagaon, Chhatarpur, MP. Students, today I am going to teach you adjective clause or relative clause. So, in a complex sentence, main clause plus connective plus subordinate clause. The clause which comes at the place of subordinate clause and does the function of an adjective is called adjective clause or relative clause. Adjective clause is of two kinds. Number one, defining or restrictive relative clause. Number two, non-defining or non-restrictive relative clause. In non-defining relative clause, comma is used at the beginning of the clause and comma is used at the end of the clause. Example is the man, comma, who cut your hair, comma, did it very badly, is non-defining relative clause. Defining relative clause, the man who cut your hair did it very badly. See on board. Adjective oblique relative clause. Adjective oblique relative clause. Heading is complex sentence, structure, main clause, principal clause or independent clause, plus connective or conjunction, connective plus subordinate clause. Connective. Here, relative pronoun who, subjective case, whom, objective case, whose, possessive case, that are used for persons. That, comma, which is used with things. Connectives, subjective case, who, objective case, whom, number 1, number 2, number 3, possessive case, whose, and number 4, that is used with persons as connective, and here which oblique that, number 1 which, number 2 that is used with things as connectives. The man who is wearing blue shirt is my friend. The gift which you gave me is very good. Now I am taking example. Number 1. The man was Ronald Ross. The man was Ronald Ross. The man discovered malaria parasite. Malaria parasite. Now combine these sentences by using adjective clause or relative clause. So one by one. Here first of all we have to pay attention man. That's why connective who is used. The man. The man. Now second clause. Who discovered malaria parasite. The man who discovered malaria parasite was Ronald Ross. So first of all you have to pay attention on subject. It is person, that's why connective who is used. It is defining relative clause or restrictive relative clause or restrictive relative clause. But in non-defining relative clause, comma is used at the beginning of the clause and at the end of the clause. See, the same sentence, the man, comma, who discovered malaria parasite. Now again comma was Ronald, I'm writing here, Ross. So underline clause who discovered malaria parasite. It is non-defining relative clause. Another example. The mask is very useful. The mask you gave to me. You can join first clause or second clause as defining or non-defining. So here mask is thing. That's why we can join it either which or that. So now complex sentence by using adjective clause. The mask, which both are correct, or that you gave to me is very useful. You can make defining or non-defining. Now another example. The doctor is very famous. You, here subject the doctor, you met the doctor. Here objective whom. Now combine the sentence by using adjective clause. So here we have to pay attention. Here subject doctor. Here doctor came in place of object. That's why objective is whom is used as connective. So complex sentence. The doctor whom you met is very famous. Now one example more with whom. The man is my friend. One clause. The man's. Here see apostrophe s is given possessive case. Possessive case of the pronoun. That's why whose is used as connective. The man's wife died last year. Whose. Combine the sentence by using adjective clause connective whose. So see here the man whose wife died last year. Last year is my friend. So here analysis of the clause where whose is used as connective. The nurses who work in the hospital are admirable. Many sentences you can use. Thanks. See you tomorrow.